How to replace audio in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the whole audio. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on projects. So these are the project section. Now here on the top you can see your projects. You can even create a new project, but I'm tapping my older project. Here select the voice that you want to edit. Now here I'm tapping on one. So here you can see the option called replace here on the bottom. Simply tap on replace. Now you can find an audio that you have saved, or you can even browse it from the Instagram music. So simply select the audio that you want to extract it or you want to enable it with. So here I'm tapping on one and simply tap on this tick button and it has been done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.